Okay, para sa nagtayo ng mga sinaunang fraternity. Ito po ay tribute para sa ating bayani. Para kay Andres Bonifacio. She was a handsome boy. I could call him She was a rich kid boy. I could buy anything I want. She was a genius once. I would answer all your questions. She was a hero coming from a war. Which was that hero like Andres Bonifacio? Andres Bonifacio, atabang na tao, ako tila kamay na. Hindi natakbo. Andres Bonifacio, atabang na tao, ako tila ulo niya. Hindi natakbo. Andres Bonifacio, atabang na tao, ako tila ulo niya. Ang bilis tumakbo. De Vega. Oy, mga binaon namin, pumalak pa kayo.